Hi guys, what's poppin' YouTube? This is your favorite Naija boy, but the best YouTuber. Welcome to my channel, guys. And it's a beautiful day for a video, guys. This is the Ibadan Expressway, Lagos Ibadan Express, or Ibadan to Lagos Expressway, anywhere you want to call it, guys. Actually, I'm in Ibadan, and this is Ibadan to Lagos Expressway. So, guys, there's an ongoing construction of this 127 kilometer long express road. So they are trying to reconstruct the full length of the road and also build some flyovers and interchanges on this expressway, guys. So it's really a massive project, guys. So as you can see, the construction and expansion is really going on non-stop, guys. Whenever you are along that road in Ibadan, along that expressway, that Ibadan express, you will surely see what I'm talking about, guys. And the work done in this road from Shagamu to Ibadan is actually, this is like Olonshogo area. It's already reached the Olonshogo area, and actually this is the second section of the expressway. They divided this expressway into two sections for the reconstruction. So the first section is from Ojota-Lagos to Shagamu interchange, and Julius Berger is the one who is handling that first section. Julius Berger is a construction company in Nigeria, guys. So, and the second section of this expressway is from Shagamu to Ojo Ibadan, guys. So this is like from Shagamu part to Ojo Ibadan parts, guys. So actually I was heading to New Garage, and you had to pass the expressway so you can so guys, this is what it looks like right now. This is the ongoing construction of this project, this road, guys. So they're working every day, non-stop, guys, non-stop working. Actually, I thought they would finish this thing but this December, but nice, I'm not sure they will. But it's really a good, nice job to see more development, and this place will really change the nation, guys. It's going to change the whole nation, because this express road connects to most parts of the country of Nigeria, northern, eastern. So you need to pass through this road if you really want to connect with this part of the country, guys. So it's really good to see this renovation, the construction of this Ibadan to Lagos Express Road, guys. So thank you guys for always coming to my channel, guys. I really appreciate for staying with me, guys. I really do want to create more for you guys, but guys, we are just moving. Let's just keep moving. Let's keep moving, guys. At least we are moving. So do watch out this space for more content, around Nigeria, Ibadan, Lagos, everywhere, guys. I really love to make content like this, and guys, make sure you stay with your boy, guys. And if you're new to this place, to this beautiful family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, invite a friend, share my video with your friends, let them know there's something happening here, guys. So I really appreciate it.